All right, guys, today we got the Mocardine handguards. We're going to be installing them on this 2024 Burst Blue Street Glide. They come with both sides, the pigtail harness, 3 brackets. You'll see that the one is larger than the other. This is the clutch side. Your screws and nuts bolts to put them on. These things are pretty thick. Color match is spot on. So here's what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take off the front wing part and then we'll come back at it. All right, guys, we're back. I took the fuse out there, took the bags off. The front is off. I had to remove the mirrors to put those in. Short bracket on this side because you got the brake reservoir taking up a little more room. I put the long bracket on that side. The wires are just dangling right now on both sides. That's kind of what we got. All right, guys. So we got them installed already. They're kind of loose. I'll tighten those up once I sit on the bike and get them adjusted to where I wanted. For the distance wise and where that looks. I ran the wires straight down the cables into the inside of this fairing. So let's go inside here. The pigtail they give you. So this pigtail is going to go in where your headlights came undone. Which is that clip right there. Make sure it goes in. So you get that little red tab pushed in, like the keeper. They're already set up, right or left. Make sure you get those correct. And then I am going to take some of the zip ties they gave us, and I am going to clean it up, get all the wires put back inside there. All right, we got the wires coming from the guards down here, zip tied up. That's where your headlight did plug in, but now it plugs into theirs. Just gotta make sure we get that in there. Make sure it clips, we should be good. And we just gotta put the fairing back on.